as a citizen of India, am demanding the resignation of all three. All three are Dharmendra Pradhan. Give me 30 seconds. All three: Bangarappa, Dharmendra Pradhan, and Harjot Singh. Now I ask, go around the politicians, go around the spokespersons. Are they also demanding the resignation of all three? The logic is very simple.
No, yeah, I
if
do.
three people,
I do.
Where did you?
I demand the resignation.
Vijay, 1 second. Tell me one bite where you've demanded the resignation of Bangarappa. I will change my name. Tell me, Vijeta. Is there? आप party में नहीं हो ना बोल सकते.
You want me to answer?
Yes.
See, CJP, as we know, it started as a very organic movement because of the insensitive remark of CGI. And just then the NEET paper leak happened. So this issue was taken up because when CJP was formed, that time it was not clear that which issue will be taken up by it. So it just happened that NEET paper leak happened and all of that. So
I asked you a simple question.
No,
the answer is no, right? You
even in... Sir,
you demand Harjot Singh ka resignation.
In another interview yesterday, the same thing was asked that would you like the Punjab minister to resign? I said yes.
Let me.
No, but I said it, sir.
Okay, 10 seconds. Let him finish. Then I'll give you time to respond.
So the fact of the matter is, all the AAP leaders were coming to the Jantar Mantar when he was in charge there. Part of the thing, he didn't tell Kejriwal, भाई आपका हरजोत सिंह मिनिस्टर है, उसने भी वही किया है जो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने किया है. उससे क्यों नहीं कह रहे? He didn't say that. He कांग्रेस के leaders आए मिलने. He didn't tell them कि Bangarappa has done exactly the same thing. Now it's a simple question. 3 people commit murders. If you ask only one person to be hanged, then the problem is not with them. The problem is with you.
Answer, Vijeta.
Yeah, Anand is resorting to the logical fallacy of whataboutism.
अच्छा, अब whataboutery आ गए. आप
of course,
3 लोगों ने मर्डर किया, एक का क्यों मांग रहे हो यार?
No,
एक को फांसी क्यों मांग रहे हो?
I'm already saying.
Are the students of Karnataka children of lesser god?
Okay, I'll ask you bluntly. You know, today you're saying on this platform, Vijeta,
don't become a politician.
Anand, the country is tired of this BJP, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party thing.
मांगो सबका.
And